Okay, I am recording. I love this camera. So I started it from my phone. I'm recording my screen on my phone, and couldn't be easier. I really like everything about the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Apologize for my voice. Got a little stuffed up today. But anyway, so you see what I see. Got the Pocket 3 on a little monopod, and I really like what it's doing. I go on my phone here and turn the camera on. Oop, don't want selfie mode. There's my setup. And my screen's a little mussed up there. Anyway, there's my MIMO app. It's a bright day, so I set it at 4K 60 with a shutter speed of 1/20th of a second, and that seems to get the zebras in the right place or the wrong place. And got it on object track, so it follows me around, and no matter where I go. So this ought to be good for doing documentaries and vlogs and whatnot. I've got the stand, actually, a monopod, which is a little bit wobbly in this high wind. So we'll see if the gimbal takes care of that. The other thing I like about the Pocket 3 is a little wireless transmitter. You hit the link button on it and it starts recording. So you don't need the MIMO app. If all you want to do is set it up, connect the mic, walk away, click on the link app, and it starts the recording, so I don't have to go touch the camera. Anyway, very cool feature, and now I will turn it off.